Let's clarify, there isn't a single Rogers Xfinity router. Rogers operates in Canada and Xfinity operates in the US. You'll likely have a Rogers branded modem's gateway or an Xfinity X-Fi gateway. First, unbox your equipment and ensure you have the router gateway, power adapter, Ethernet cable, and coaxial cable if applicable. Connect the coaxial cable from your wall outlet to the modem gateway's input port. Then plug in the power adapter to turn on your router. Wait for the indicator lights on your router to stabilize, which typically takes 2 to 5 minutes. Rogers users typically activate through the Ignite app or by calling support. Xfinity users use the Xfinity app or visit xfinity.com/activate. This process syncs your device with the internet service provider. Once activated, connect a device via Ethernet for initial configuration or scan for the default Wi-Fi network name like Rogers XX or Xfinity. Open a web browser and navigate to your gateway's IP address, typically 10.out.1. Log in with the default credentials. For Rogers, use admin/admin, and for Xfinity, check the sticker on the device. The most important step is to set a custom Wi-Fi name and a strong password. WPA3 encryption is recommended for security. Enable guest networks if needed for visitors. Ensure your firmware is up to date through the app or admin panel for security patches. Run speed tests using tools like Ookla to check your connection performance. Place the router in a central location for better coverage. If using a mesh system like Xfinity's X-Fi pods, add nodes to extend range. For troubleshooting, reboot the device, check cable connections, or contact support. Rogers emphasizes app integration, while Xfinity focuses on the X-Fi ecosystem. Keep your router away from interference and use Ethernet for stable connections.